Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. My name is Daniel Adeoye from Money Biz. I'm so happy to show you this video because this video is how you can get an airtime of at least 50,000 naira airtime. Yes, in Nigeria, either MTN, Airtel, Glo, 9Mobile, anyone you are using. With this video, if you watch this video to an end, I can guarantee you that you have the opportunity of getting 50,000 naira airtime in Nigeria. This is not a gay saying. I just actually test this out today and I was actually credited. I was like, okay, let me just check if it's true or not. With this application you are seeing right now on this screen, you can get an airtime, a free airtime of 50,000 naira. I'm not lying to you. No, I won't lie to you also. I will say what it is just the way it is. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready to get your own airtime in Nigeria, watch this video to the very end. And if you are yet to subscribe, click on the red button to subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for trusting me. I will never disappoint you. I will keep creating video and create video on that is very valuable to you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the first thing I'm going to do is to download this application known as Shareit Lite. As you can see it on my screen now, Shareit Lite. Download it. So I've already downloaded my own. All I have to just to open it. So the size is about 17 MB. It's not that much. You will be brought to this next place. All you have to do is to click on agree and continue. Then you give it all this permission. You will allow, click on allow, give it all the permission that brings out for you. Just allow it. Show you gap. This automatically you'll be brought straight to this place. Show you gap to be brought straight to this place. Now, you might actually, the reason why I was brought straight to this place was because I've actually downloaded this video. I've downloaded the app before. Show you gap. I've downloaded the app before. I just have to uninstall it so that you can see it. So actually, it has capture my data and bring it back for me, but automatically you opportune to see where you are going to put your phone number. So you have to put in your own phone number. You just fill in the sign up stuff and put in your phone number. So you grab when you put in your phone number, it will send an OTP to your phone number just to confirm that you are the one. It's just like that, no more, no less. So when you put in your OTP, to send an OTP for you, just copy and paste the OTP and you are good to go. Very good to go. Then when I automatically inside the application, just log in. So the first thing I'm going to do in this case is just to click on this invite one friend and earn this dollar. So not dollars, diamond. So what you'll be earning on this app is diamond, and you can exchange the diamond for airtime. I've actually tried this today and I was credited automatically today. So just click on invite one friend and earn. Just click on that invite one friend. So you'll be brought to this place. So the next place you're going to brought to. So your own site, it might tell you to log in. So you grab. So when it takes you to log in, all you have to do is simple. You can log in with, as you can see, tell me to log into my account. I can log in with Google, Facebook, or phone. So if you want to log in, I would just advise to log in with Google because I just think Google makes things more easier. So I'm not going to click on Google. I'm going to log in with my Google. Actually, you can log in with any of the three. You can log in with your Google, with your Facebook. So when you log in, it will now automatically give you more insight into your account. Actually, my own pass keep the place where I can put in my phone number. So don't be scared to put in your phone number. It's to authentify that you are real. So you put in your phone number. They will send an OTP, one-time pin to you, and that is all you have to do. Probably, I don't think they created my name. But if they ask for any information, just give the information, and you allow give the application every allowance. You can actually check for privacy, but I can tell you that they're not stealing your data whatsoever. So I'm going to click on Daniel, just one of my my Gmail. So then automatically I'm now being logged in. So you have to be logged in, and you know this application works like sender. So you can just send anything offline. And one thing I like about this application that sender, although sender phone once added, but they were unable to just sustain it, was that a sender now has ad on it, but this one is ad free. I wonder, this is crazy. So it's literally just being that as you share. So all you have to do is literally, I may put the link below, but if you click on the link below, good. If you do not click on the link below, no problem. Just follow this step. I won't put the link because not necessarily I put the link below. All you have to do is very, very simple. So now let me tell you this: what you'll be giving on this application is diamond. What did I say? Diamond, and you'll be exchanging diamond for airtime. So 5,180 diamond is equal to 15 naira airtime, any airtime of your choice. So you got. So all you have to do is immediately you've already logging into your account. Just log in. You just click on this arrow. Go back. Just go back. Then when you're back, I'm going to give you an invite pin. So when you put this invite pin in this place, that is, you can see friend code. So when you look up here, you see where they put friend code. Friend code. Can you see it up? After this locking screen, invite, you see this green pot where they put friend code. So you grab, just click on the friend code and put in my own code. So now they say that I've already submitted the invite code. So my own now, somebody invited me. And automatically I got 6,000 diamond. So you grab. So you are going to put in my own invite code because I'm the one inviting you in this case. And my invite code is 64894. So you see it on the screen. and you see it below. Just put that invite code there, and automatically you'll be given 6,000 diamond, and this 6,000 diamond is what you can convert to airtime. So I also tell you how you can actually get more diamond, more diamond, more diamond. So you gap. It's very simple. There's no gainsaying there. Just ensure that you put in my invite code, which is 64894. If you put in my invite code, automatically you'll be given 6,000 diamond, and you can use that 6,000 diamond to recharge your phone immediately. I will tell you how you can actually use it to convert it to recharging your phone immediately. So you gap. So I'm not going to click on OK because I've actually done this. I swear they actually sent that pin, the invite code for me. I used it. So you have to use an invite code. You cannot get any invite code elsewhere because actually you just use my own invite code. Okay, just use my invite code. Just because if you use invite code, you get 6,000 diamond. Literally, that's all I have to be. Then another way you can get diamond is this lucky spin. You can see this lucky spin now. So the first way you can get diamond, which is very important, is through the invite code. Click on the invite code, friends code. When you click on the friends code, you put in my own code and you claim it. When you claim it, 6,000 diamond will be given to you automatically. Share you gap. The another way you can actually get diamond is through this lucky spin. So you have the opportunity of having 3 lucky spin per day. Share you gap. 3 lucky spin per day. Actually, I've tried my own 3 has passed. So for you now, all you have to do is immediately you have login, you have put in my invite code 64894. You have gotten 6,000 diamond as bonus. Just click on this. Come to lucky spin. Click on this start. So when you click on this start, then you're just going to go. You may be lucky to have 2,000 diamond or anything that is according to the way like this rectangle. Anything you put there, automatically it becomes yours. So you gap, it becomes yours. And one other way is that when you invite more friends, you have opportunity to have more spin. So when you invite a friend, they'll give you 10 more spin. And this is just amazing. Like seriously, it's amazing. I can tell you that if you do this consistently for a week, you can get 50,000 airtime. Am I saying a week? Even for 3 days or 4, you can get airtime that will amaze you. You can recharge everybody, even your family. You can recharge everybody, your family. This is very, very important. I just found this and I must just share this. I know I must not keep it myself. I must share this with you. So that's another way you can actually get more diamond. So another way you can get more diamond is to click on this. I can see something like this chest. You know this chest, this style of golden chest here. You have to do just to click on it once. When you click on it once, the chest is going to open and you may be lucky to have more diamonds. So I've already clicked my own once. Now you can see I've gotten 125 extra diamonds. So you gap. It's very simple like that. You have 125 extra diamond, and as you are clicking on it, the diamond will be increasing. Another way you can get diamond is to come to this campus. Just click on this campus. So this campus, if you are actually a student, is good for you. Just snap yourself and that is wonderful. But nevertheless, either a student or not a student, this one is also very important. You can actually get more diamond there. So all you have to do is I want to participate. Just click I want to participate. You just snap yourself and you will get diamond. And the more diamond you get, so another way you can do this is actually you can like. So if I like this picture, now let's say I like this picture, I'm going to like it. Just like it. Okay. I've done all this part before, so I've liked it, and maybe I like it. I got congratulations. So when you like pictures, you also get more diamonds. So like now, instead of me getting diamond, I've gotten a free chest. I'm gonna click on OK. So this is being liked. I've already liked that picture. I can just come back again, look for another picture. Maybe this guy picture, and they said okay, I've gotten this one again. I'm going to close it. I'm going to like his picture again. So when I like this picture, another thing will pop up for me. As you can see, I've gotten another one again. That's wonderful. Just click on get. Then you can just come and okay, let me see this picture here. Okay, I've liked this one. I'm going to click on like it again. Let me click on like. I'm going to like another picture. As you can see, this keep coming up from there. I've gotten this. Okay, good. So that's another way you can actually get more get more opportunities to get more diamond. So that's been done. And that last way you can get more diamond is to invite your friends. Just click on this invite as I've done for you. That's same thing you do for other people. So just invite them. You tell them to download it. Then you put your invite code. Tell them to put in your invite code. So when they put in your invite code, you get 5,000. Let me say the diamond. So you get 5,180 diamond extra. Right? Anybody you invite is going to get 6,000 naira. 6,000 diamond. So ladies and gentlemen, you can start using the opportunity. Start using it now before people actually start using it and they may probably stop it. You know how things go on now. So it's important. So download this application. put in your phone number, they send OTP for you, confirm your OTP. Then the first thing you should do automatically is to come to this friends code, then claim your 6,000 diamond by putting my invite code, which is 64894. Just put it there. Automatically you get 6,000 diamond, and do everything I've shown you in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video and if you have enjoyed the knowledge I've shared with you this video, kindly subscribe to, if you are yet to subscribe, like this video, comment if you have any question. If this actually worked for you, just comment below that yes, it worked, so that more people will know that this is actually real. Share you gap. And if you are yet to subscribe, please and please, your subscription means a lot to me. Kindly click on the red button and subscribe, and please turn on the notification button. And if you have subscribed again, thank you so much. I look forward to see you in another video, because I'll keep creating more videos on how you can make money online and how to be more productive in your business. Okay, it is very important. Before I go, I show you how you can actually get airtime. So you get, you how you can actually convert this diamond to airtime. It is very important I show you. So now, just watch what I'm going to do. There are two ways you can do it actually. It is either one, you click on this invite. When you click on this invite, that's in this normal invite. I'm going to start with you see the invite, or I'll put an arrow. You can just click on, when you look up here, you see where they put redeem. You can click on the redeem. So when you click on the redeem, it's going to take you to a web page. Like a web page like this. So it's important you just have data so you can access the web page like that. So this is going to be the web page, and this web page is where they will tell you how you can actually withdraw, the amount of money you can withdraw. Like literally, the first one you can withdraw is 15 naira, and I've actually withdrawn my own 15 naira. So if you have 5,180 naira, 180 diamond, you can just click. You see it here in the redeem. But I've already redeemed my own just to test if this is real, and that's actually come for me. I can just show you the, if you want me, actually you want me to send proof, I can screenshot the 15 and just send it in the comment section, if it, maybe in the community tab. So now you just redeem. So let's say for example, I want to redeem this something. RDB my coins is now 7,210 naira. Just click on redeem something naira. And one that thing that you can just redeem once in a day. So you can redeem once in a day. So I cannot redeem again today. Let me come to my record. Let me show you that I actually redeem. So when I come to my record, all the activities I've done before will show. So you can see my withdrawal here. When you look down, you see withdraw 5,150. I actually withdraw this a few minutes ago, and I was actually credited, automatically credited. So just come to redeem. So I cannot redeem my own now. So when you click on, probably want to read the first one, you're able to see it will be 15 naira down up here, and down here 5,180 naira. Just click on it and click on confirm. So if you click on confirm, it's going to go to the next tab where you can put in your phone number. So you put in your phone number starting from 234. You put probably your number is 087. So 0815. Let's say for example your number start from 0815. So you just put 234. Then after 50 you take it away. Now start from 015 and you put the rest. Then you confirm. You put it again and click on claim or confirm at any button you see, and they'll tell you that literally you get credited between 1 to 3 working days. But I will tell you this, with that, it's just a formality. So formality, and within few minutes or few hours you actually get credited. I can tell you this, you get credited. And if by anything happen and you're not credited, they will send back the money into your wallet, as in back into your diamond. They'll send it back into your diamond. Probably there was network issue and they'll send it back to your diamond. Then the next day you can try it again. Just keep doing more activity, keep getting more diamond. So for example, now I have opportunity. So if my diamond does increase now, I can just go for 17 and not today again. That's going to be tomorrow. So you grab and I can just redeem and redeem and redeem. And you can see the highest here. I can actually redeem 50,000 naira. This is crazy, right? I can redeem 50,000 naira as airtime. This is wonderful. So when I redeem, I'm going to show you a video when I actually redeem this, so you will see that this is real. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can actually redeem your airtime. So I've not redeemed the first one. I'll just show you how I can redeem it. And please do not try to do anything illegal here, because they may just block you. Just try to do everything I've shown in this video. As I've shown in this video, I can guarantee that you will always be smiling. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, kindly subscribe if you're ready to subscribe, and like this video, please. I think it's important you like this video and comment below if you have any questions. So I look forward to seeing the next video. I love you so much. Please subscribe. It's important you subscribe. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. I love you so much.